Today I went to the store and bought a ton of new stuff, and I'm going to show you in this video. First, I got this Joy box. Then I got mini brands, which I'm going to show you inside. So I got this Minnie Mouse telephone, Anna, Sleeping Beauty, and then Spider-Man, this little Wonsing, Woody, I have no idea who he is, but he's ultra rare. A Batman mask, this Spider Girl. Now I'm going to put them all back in. And then I also got this Fancy Nancy book. And a little firehouse that lights up. Then I got a ton of stuff in this bag. So I got this lanyard I can color, this gingerbread I colored, a candy cane, a slap bracelet, a little pen, which is kind of cute. Got 2 candy canes. Like these 2 kind of chocolates. Wait, there's one more kind of chocolate. That's the same thing. Then I got these chocolates. These M&Ms. A little pencil. 3 more candy canes. Means one more pack of M&Ms, and then that was it. And then I also got that's nothing. I got an angel tattoo, some stickers, a snowman little stamp, a little squishy, and this. Actually, I'm not going to show you. A little doll that goes really tiny. So it's a little ballerina, and you open it, and it's another little ballerina. And if you open it again, it's another little ballerina. And then if you open it again, it's another ballerina. And then here's the last ballerina. It's really cute. So we're going to fill it all back up. And it's called a babushka doll. And that's really cute. And that is everything I got. Bye.